good day. So, hindi ko alam kung anong oras so makikita nyo na vlog. So, I'm in Ipil. So, I just give you a room tour sa bago nilang hotel. It's Bud's Brothel. Let's see. Bud's Brothel ng pangalan ng hotel. So, dito ako mag-start. So, ito yung of course, pintuan nila. Hindi ako lalabas kasi madami tao sa labas, madami gas. So actually guys, when you go inside, ito yung makikita nyo. Yan. So, yan yung lalagyan ng mga gamit. Like this one, bare lang siya naka-open. Then, this is their CR. Yung shower area nila. Yan. Sink, may blower. Yan. Towels. Yan, CR nila. So, malinis guys kasi bago pa. But actually, I hope they can maintain this setting na malinis siya. Maganda yung amoy. So, they have sleeper. Ano ba yan? Upon request, complimentary sleeper. At yung vault nila. The vault. Mga complimentary water, coffee, and may ganun sila. May hot water. Yan yung makikita nyo na pagpasok nyo. Mga complimentary. So, the Coke na yan is binili ko. They have ref, linen area. Lalagyan na. And then this one, they have toothbrush. So, guys, you can really tell na it's a new and nice kasi po ano siya. Naka-customized. I think this is their vanity kit toothbrush soap. Although meron na ring soap. So, yan yung mirror. Yan. And then, the menu is on TV. So, like, you have to watch TV, hotel info, food menu, ganyan, gas bill, to do in Zamboanga, and app library. So, it's a Samsung, katulad sa bahay namin. It's a good for two. Sorry sa kalat. But this is good for two, guys. So, I want to open. Tingnan ko kung ma-open. Kasi may lights pa man pala. So, ganyan siya kalinaw, guys. In-open ko. Yan. If you see two beds, comfortable siya. Hindi siya centralized yung aircon, guys. Meron siyang remote na physical. So, Daiki yung brand ng aircon nila. So, basically, yan yung wire, extension wires. Nagdala ako always. Pero, meron namang saksakan. Yan. This is two beds. Rooms. Tapos, mirror doon, another mirror dito. Tapos, itong room namin is nakaharap sa poolside area nila. Yan. Tapos, may balcony siya, guys. Yun. Ito yung makikita mo sa balcony nila, guys. Yan. May nagsi-swimming. So, later on, pupunta din ako sa nila. Diyan. To just make, explore. Yan. And those are the rooms. Yan. Ito yung may balcony per room. Yan. So, guys, if you happen to, or if you want to go sa Ipil, or pagpupunta kayo dito, you can check this out. Actually, the room is worth 3,000 a night. It's my discount yan. Pero yung regular price kasi is 3,500. Marami silang promo. You can find them sa Facebook. Meron silang Facebook page. You can inquire there. And come and stay here. So, try ko tingnan yung Try ko tingnan yung hallway. Try ko ipakita sa inyo, guys. And hindi lang ako magtutok. This is the hallway, guys. Actually, mirror yan. Para maging parang malapad lang. Yan. Ganda. So, yan yung hallway. This is our room. Yun. It's a room tour. If you want to stay in Ipil, kasi yung Ipil kasi is booming siya, tapos wala pa masyado din ditong pasyalan. If you want peace of mind, mag-unwind lang, maganda siya dito, guys. And may mga amenities din sila, like swimming pool, yun na yun. And then they have gym. Meron silang rooftop, may bar. Actually, yung mga kasama ko. But hindi na ako babalik kasi I have something to do. I will be editing some videos kasi hindi na ako nakaka-upload. But, meron ako mga premiere, meron ako mga video na hindi pa hindi ko pa na-edit, guys. So, dapat dito lang ako at mag-edit. Well, yung room, yun, di ba? Ang ganda ng design nila. Ganda ng design, di ba? Ayan. That's the room. And yung smart TV, then the mirror. Yan. And bare, yan yung kanina pinakita ko na bare lang yung lalagyan ng mga dress and essentials, small, mga damit. May ano naman, linen area. Isang chair, then dalawang bed. Okay? So actually guys, ito yung masasabi ko na okay na hotel for now dito sa Zamboanga, Cebu guys, sa Ipil. Bago lang to, I think last year lang sila nag-open. So that's why maganda. And maganda din yung lobby. Masarap yung amoy, mabango. But I hope ma-maintain nila ang ganitong ambience para at least maganda yung reputation. So guys, if you want to have staycation here sa Ipil para mag-explore sa place, you can check out the Bads Brutal and inquire kung ano-anong ma-offer nila. Actually guys, madami silang mga promos, like yung mga, if you will be, kasi yung sinabi sa akin when I call last time is 3,500 per night. So if you will stay 2 days, then mag-extend kayo ng 1 night. Parang they will just give you yung third day ng 1,750. Yun yung promo nila. Pero hindi ko alam kung until when, but yun yung sabi sa akin. But I want to on the light here. Sige daw. Eto pa. Oh, yun. Ang light. Para well-lit tayo kahit saan. Well-lit talaga yung room, guys. Maganda talaga siya. Try natin explore. Then, you can also, wait, saan yung hinahanap ko, guys, yung remote control ng TV para ipakita ko sa inyo yung menu. Yeah, menu ng nila lobby. So, like that. Punta ka sa food menu. So, yan yung makikita. Actually, guys, meron ding hotel sa Pampanga, yung Arroy's Casino and Hotel. Yung menu din nila nasa Smart TV. So, ito yung mga offerings nila. But, yung cafe kasi nila until 9 p.m. lang yung last order. But, you can stay there until 10 p.m. Pero yung last order will be 9 p.m. Kaya yun. And they have also, you can watch also TV. Hindi ko lang alam kung may Netflix or anything. But anyways, mamaya na lang. So yun. I hope guys, you will be liking this video and magko-comment kayo. Comment kayo kung maganda ba yung rooms nila. And madami pa akong iba-vlog sa place na to. For now guys, yan lang muna. Thank you. Maraming salamat. See you on my next vlog. Bye!